Hello students, welcome back to our EVS class. This is the first part of the 19th chapter, My Idea of Fun. In this session, we are going to discuss about types of games, sports which have Indian origin, common sports played in India, and recreational activities. First of all, let us discuss about benefits of playing games. Playing games keeps our body fit and strong, and it makes us physically active and mentally alert. It is a good form of relaxation. Children, what are the benefits of playing games? It keeps our body fit and strong. It makes us physically active and mentally alert. It is a good form of relaxation. Next, let us study about types of games. Children, do you know what are the two types of games? Outdoor games and indoor games. First of all, let us study about outdoor games. These are played in an open ground, stadium or court. Games like cricket, football, hockey and badminton are called outdoor games. Next, let us study about indoor games. Indoor games are played in an enclosed space like a stadium or club. Games like chess, ludo, carom and table tennis are called indoor games. Next, let us discuss about sports of Indian origin. Kabaddi. It is played by teams of 7 players on a rectangular court made of sand. In this sport, a player from one team tries to capture a player from the rival team. She or he must hold her or his breath while running. Next, Pehalwani or Kusti. It is one of the oldest Indian sports. It was practiced in the ancient times as a form of fitness. The wrestlers or Pehalwans get trained in a training facility called Akhada. Next, let us discuss about some common sports played in India. Hockey. This sport is played between two teams of 11 players. It is played with curved sticks and a small ball. India has won several international championships in this sport.
Rajpal eases it back. Now the chance, Vikram. Still counts as one on the scoreboard. A shot directly to the middle of the goal. Indian players all over the rebound.
Next we have chess. Chess is played between two players on a chessboard which has 64 squares and 16 pieces. It originated in India thousands of years ago. Vishwanathan Anand, Hampi Koneru and Aman Sharma are some famous chess players of India. Next we have football. It is a sport played with a ball by two teams of 11 players each. Goals are scored when a player kicks the ball into the other team's goalpost.
That defines how he's remembered as the Barcelona manager. 7 majors he's won. He's in the cup final this season. He could do the double again. He's done the for La Liga win. Affected with the end of Rafa Benitez's stand. He had all kinds of problems. Rakitic teases Real Madrid. Tries to find the gap. Rakitic!
Oh, what a goal.
Stunning goal!
Next, let us discuss about cricket. Like football, This sport is also played between two teams of 11 players each. Runs are scored when the ball is hit with the bat. The Indian cricket team has won the World Cup twice.
Pull shot. That's nicely played. Enough wood on it to get him a 4. Oh, that's gone. Up and 6.
Next we have badminton. This game is played using a racket and a shuttlecock. This shuttlecock is hit with a racket for scoring points. Saina Nehwal and PV Sindhu are some important badminton players of India. Next, let us discuss about some recreational activities. Children, do you know what are recreational activities? Activities which help us to enjoy and relax are called recreational activities. Reading. Reading is an enjoyable activity which helps us in many ways. It helps us to become more creative and imaginative. It gives us a lot of information and also helps us to learn new words. Cinema and music. We watch different types of films in cinema halls and on television. Many of us also go to theaters to watch plays. Music helps us to relax our mind. We can listen to different types of music on the television and radio. Fun fairs. Fun fairs are organized during festivals in large grounds. There are various rides, game stalls, and food stalls. Puppetry. Puppetry is a form of art where stories are told using puppets. Puppets are toy-like objects which can be moved by the puppeteer using strings. Kathputli is a form of puppetry which belongs to Rajasthan. Watching these shows is also a great form of recreation. Folk dance. Children, India has a rich variety of folk dances. Every state of India has its own folk dances. Some of the popular folk dance that are performed across India are Bhangra of Punjab, Ghumar and Kalbelia of Rajasthan, Garba of Gujarat,
पतंग देखो उड़ी उड़ी जाए, उड़ी उड़ी जाए, उड़ी उड़ी जाए, दिल की पतंग देखो उड़ी उड़ी जाए।
कहने को तो खेल है ये तेरा मेरा साझा।
and Bihu of Assam. these dance performances to learn more about the culture of the different states of India. Exercise part of this chapter we will discuss in the next class. Children, those who have not submitted their project, please submit it before 25th February. Thank you and have a nice day.